So in today's video, we're going to show you how to remove a shock absorber on a front load washer. Now again, there's many different style machines and different ways you'll have to access them in your machine. Some are from the back, some are from the front, some you have to do it from both directions. On this machine, we're going to remove one of the shocks from the back. So we're just going to take the access panel off. It's held with 4 Phillips screws. On this model, the shock absorber is held in place by plastic pins. Many of the manufacturers do it this way. Some are installed in which the shock just twists and rotates out of a holder, but for today's example, it uses style pins. So they have to be pulled out. So the easiest way to do that is with a socket. A socket that's around the same side as the pin. So when you push it onto the end of the pin, it will squeeze the little locking pin in so you can pull it out. So I'll just take the socket and I'll push it onto the pin and then take a pair of pliers, wiggle that pin out of its holder. That's the top one removed. There'll be another one down into the bottom section, and we'll remove it the same way, and that will free the shock up. So now we just need to remove the lower pin, and we'll do it the same way. We'll use our socket to compress the little locking pin. So we're just going to take hold of the end with our pliers and just wiggle by applying a little bit of pressure outwards. And now with the pin pulled out, we'll just set it to one side. Take the socket out of there. And now we can pull that shock absorber out of its keeper.